AGBA, stock analysis and price predictions. Easy to buy right now. Watch this 1 minute video till the end because I'm giving you my technical analysis of price predictions, right? So I'm bullish. I'm still trying to milk the most that I can out of this bullish trend. Although it's 17% down for the day, I'm going to share where is my limit, what are my targets and stuff. So watch it till the end. And just for context, I'm using my strategy system that previously has given me thousands of wins. So AGBA Group Holding, limited stock. It's from this low. Like if the price starts going anything below 224, then I'm not really interested in it. Right from that range, maybe it was some lows here might get tapped as well, but yeah, anything further than like 120 there, it's not it, So still waiting for like the 1 minute chart or whatever double break for me to happen for me to be bullish. If it doesn't do that, then I'm just not bullish. So this is why I put this wait sign always. Do your own due diligence. Click the first link in the description for free resources of value, and I'll see you in the next video.